Hello everyone who signed up for our free webinar, The Shop Floor Solution to Employee Turnover, on May 21st at 1 p.m. My name is Nick and I'm the marketing manager here at Express Employment Professionals of Grand Rapids. We are so excited that you are joining us for this event as we navigate the issue of employee turnover, no-shows and short stays, and discuss how frontline leaders impact retention. Based on his 30-plus years of manufacturing experience, John Keuning, Express Employment Professionals Director of Manufacturing Training here in Grand Rapids, will explore how our frontline leaders are the voice and face of the company and how their interaction can help make or break an employee's decision to stay or leave. As you prepare to join us, here are some things we feel you should know. Before the webinar begins, grab a pen, paper, and a nice cup of coffee to stay alert and be ready to take a lot of great notes. You should have received the webinar Zoom link once you registered. However, if you need that again, please don't hesitate to reach out. To make sure you can log in and have a successful connection, we recommend you log in 5 to 10 minutes before the webinar begins. The webinar will be approximately 1 hour long. If for some reason you are not able to attend anymore, do not worry. We will share the recording with you following the event. We believe this will be a great event for you and for anyone at your company, so please feel free to share this with them and invite others to participate. We are so excited that you are joining us, and if there's anything Express Employment Professionals of Grand Rapids can do for you and your business needs, please contact us by using the email or phone number provided below. Thanks again, and see you soon.